Notion Phrasebook for M&A English microlearning that works. In fast-moving deals, every message counts. You need language that is quick, precise, and low risk. A tailored phrasebook gives you ready-to-use lines for emails, updates, and calls. No hunting for words mid-meeting. Instead of long vocab lists, you get targeted phrases that map to real tasks, aligning stakeholders, flagging risks, or nudging timelines. These reusable chunks speed up both speaking and writing because you swap in names, dates, and numbers without rebuilding sentences. Result: fewer misunderstandings, cleaner decisions, and a calmer you during crunch time. Let's build a toolkit you'll actually use under pressure. You don't need an hour. You need 5 to 10 focused minutes a day. Each entry teaches one small skill, a phrase, a pattern, or a tone move, so it sticks. Then apply spaced repetition. Revisit items at smart intervals to hardwire them. Think: Monday learn, Wednesday review, next week quick refresh. The goal isn't memorizing lists. It's building automaticity for real-deal moments. Short sessions keep energy high, feedback fast, and progress visible. Over a month, those tiny reps compound into confident, consistent language you can deploy instantly in emails, updates, and negotiations. Structure drives reuse. Capture the deal context. Stage, kickoff, diligence, negotiation. Your role: buyer counsel, banker, operator, and audience, client, counterparty, advisor. Store a model phrase with pattern slots like timeline, amount, party. Add example variants and clear do/don't notes to avoid risky wording. Tag each entry by function: align, request, escalate, tone, neutral, cautious, assertive, and risk level: low, medium, high. With this metadata, you can filter fast, adapt tone, and insert the right sentence at the right moment without reinventing it. Start with real emails or call notes. Authentic language beats textbook lines. Strip the specifics to abstract a reusable pattern. Replace names, numbers, and dates with slots. Create 2 to 3 plug-and-play examples showing different tones or scenarios so you can pivot quickly. Add a note on tone shifts: when to be cautious, uncertain data, sensitive topics, versus assertive, deadlines, commitments. Example: cautious, it appears the timeline may slip. Assertive, to stay on timeline, we need confirmation by date. This turns one good sentence into a flexible, repeatable asset. Cover the moments you face daily. Kick off an alignment, set purpose, confirm owners, and state next steps. Diligence requests and follow-ups. Ask clearly, define format, and set deadlines without sounding demanding. Risk flags and mitigation. Surface issues early with neutral, factual language and propose next actions. Negotiation. Propose terms, counter with rationale, and close with crisp summaries and contingencies. Each function needs a few reliable phrases you can adapt fast. Build entries around these core workflows to reduce friction and keep momentum through every stage. These patterns do heavy lifting under pressure. Hedging reduces overcommitment. We understand that. Point. It appears. Issue. Escalation moves things forward. To stay on timeline, we need action by date. Clarifying prevents drift. To confirm, you're proposing term, correct? Soft no protects relationships. At this time, we're not in a position to agree, but we can. Alternative. Save each with variants and slots. When stakes rise, you won't search for words. You'll deploy calibrated language that fits the moment. Keep it light and consistent. Each day, review 5 start entries. First, type the pattern, then say it aloud. Writing builds accuracy. Speaking builds fluency. Swap variables. Change numbers, dates, and parties to simulate real scenarios. Track your confidence, 1 to 5, and add a one-line reflection. What felt awkward? What worked? What to tweak? This loop creates muscle memory and surfaces gaps early. Over time, your starred list rotates. Weak spots get attention, and your deal language becomes sharp, fast, and reliable under pressure. Make your phrasebook a live tool. Monthly, archive low-usage phrases so clutter doesn't slow you down. Promote what you actually say, the lines that land well in your market and team culture. After calls, add real snippets while details are fresh, then abstract them into patterns. Keep the system small, focused, and repeated. A handful of entries you master beats a bloated database you never open. Key takeaway: curate ruthlessly, practice briefly, update often. That's how your M&A English stays crisp, credible, and ready for the next deal.